Oh hi! Welcome to Olhuveli, Maldives. Come in. So this is our waiting area. Here we have our sleepers, and this room is our powder room, where my wife does her makeup. Go straight to this beautiful bathroom overlooking the water or bathtub. Beautiful water. And so our toiletries, our towels, his and hers, vanity. We have our shower. And we have our bidet and toilet. Let's move outside to the patio. And say hi, my wife, in our bathtub, jacuzzi overlooking the water. We have our sitting area here. And then here's our bedroom. We have a sitting area there. Let me show you the best part. Come on, I'll show you the best part. We have direct access to the water. Let's take a dip. We can go right in the water from the stairs.